Hey guys, it's me, Jacob. Today I'm going to be doing another video. And I just opened up the pack, but I have not showed the cards. I haven't even shown myself. But I can already tell by when I first opened it that I have Leonard Fournette. Or, I started laughing at this. I was looking at how you spell his last name. Like, is it Fournette or Fortnite? Fortnite. See, get it? Cause look. There's like over 30 cards. So next up is AJ Bowie. He plays for. Oh, by the way, Leonard Fournette plays for the Jacksonville Jaguars. AJ Bowie for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Dang. Next up is Eddie George for the Tennessee Titans. Oh. Camera falls all the time. I don't know why it does that, but it did. There's that Titans logo over there. Next up is Gerald McCoy for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Alright, next up. Oh, wow, this is actually a lucky pick. Aaron Rodgers in the Green Bay Packers. Okay, here we have David Johnson in the Arizona Cardinals. Oh, why? I'm not giving away this card, but I mean, I don't like this player. Tom Brady in the New England Patriots. Okay, here's a better one. Cliff Averill for the Seattle Seahawks. I have a friend that's a Seahawks fan. Two of them to be in fact. Ooh, these next two are really good. Dak Prescott. Todd Gurley. Apparently next three are really good. Todd Gurley the second for the Los Angeles Rams. Thomas Rawls for the Seattle Seahawks. Ed Reed for the Baltimore Ravens. Travis Kelce for the Kansas City Chiefs. They don't have any stats on him, really. It just tells their record for the 2016 year. Oh, and then, yeah, it tells facts about him on the back, but I'm not doing that. But anyway, that's Josh Stockton. Next up, we have Jesse James for the Pittsburgh Steelers right there. Got a Browns player right there. Next up, we have David Harris, the New York Jets. And we have another David Johnson for the 2017 record. This actually looks really good. I might not ever give up this card because it says 2017 on it. And here we have Isaiah Ford for the Miami Dolphins. I actually have this guy's rookie card. Yeah. Next up, we have Amara Darboha, however you pronounce it, for the Seattle Seahawks. Next up, we have Gerald Everett for Los Angeles Rams. Tyler Everett for the Cincinnati Bengals. Next up, we have Cam Newton for the Carolina Panthers. It's actually a special card, it looks like. Here it is. I don't know if you can tell. That's it right there. Next up, we have Marvin Jones Jr. for the Detroit Lions. Next up, we have Willie Snead for the New Orleans Saints. Sorry, I couldn't remember. And then now we have Jamie Collins for the Cleveland Browns. Next up, this is also actually really good. Clay Matthews for the Green Bay Packers. Next up, Desmond Trufant for the Atlanta Falcons. We have 4 more cards. Jeremy Maclin for the Kansas City Chiefs. And next up, we have Will Fuller the 5th. That's what he looks like. And next up, we have... Oh gosh, I almost dropped the card. That was an awesome catch. Did anybody see that? Cameron Wake, Miami Dolphins. And then Eric Reed, San Francisco 49ers. Anyway, if you've seen this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, be a part of the gang.